I don't know.
I didn't eat dinner.
Yeah, and that's why.
We didn't eat dinner. Hi. I think I spelled something wrong on me.
No, you're good.
They have a
It's
cute little
nice. No
cat.
one's gonna see it. Like, why do I look
Let's go get
exactly?
Uncle Sam.
Why do I look exactly like a girl though? Like for real? Like,
Don't know.
yo guys think that I look like a fucking boy.
In the forehead. That's not the right place.
Can I just? Should I just transition now? Like, for real?
Really?
Like I've been the hottest bitch in the game. For real. Booty hole is good.
Oh my god. Alright. Really? Do you want to be on my vlog? Say hi.
Hey.
Home cave.
Really?
It's not a good time for me to be on a vlog.
So what? You're in a costume. Do you want to be in my vlog? I don't post them.
Sure.
Yo,
On
Sam,
YouTube?
Yeah, my.
tell me your plan for America, Uncle Sam.
Yeah,
Playing
what
for
are you doing?
America.
No,
Really?
What is the vlog about?
It's just anything.
Alright.
I play The Sims, which is kind of dorky. But
Okay.
Loyalty.
yeah,
Yeah.
I love The Sims.
Keisha's good. This paint man has been tattooed on.
Oh, okay. I see. I see you.
Sorry, I didn't drink it.
This like water.
What are you drinking?
My water for today.
It's good though. It's good water.
I'm drinking Smirnoff Ice. It's like water.
Smirnoff, bitch ice. It's like. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Day in the life of Jakeisha. I come home, go up the stairs, go to my mom's room. I will put up the camera, but I don't want y'all to see all the junk that we have in the hallway. Open the door, and here comes Fatty. Come on, let's go. Jordan never opens the door. Go, lady. She opens the door. What? Oh, okay. Never mind. Hi. Can you sit? Sit. Jordan. Good girl. Good girl. It's a camera. Hi. Lick the camera. Come here, lady. Sit. Sit for the camera. Good girl. I don't have anything for you. Say bye. I'm hype. I gotta learn how to look at the lens, not this thing over here. So maybe I'll just, when I vlog, I'll close it so that way I don't look over there. But I'm hype. Let me show y'all what I got. From the thrift store, of course. Okay, I saw this folder. I'm like, well, that's a nice folder. It's not flimsy. So I got that. All this shit on my bed. Then I saw this pretty cool, neat binder for $1. So I also bought that. And yeah, it's kind of old school looking. But look, it has a USA map. And it has all these conversions and shiznits. How do I zoom? Look. You have your class name, days, time, teacher. Look at this. If anyone ever asks you like how many centimeters in an inch, well, it's 2.5 centimeters in 1 inch. It's so cool. You have how many kilometers in a mile, 1.6. You have your tables of measurement, so if you're ever cooking, you need to know. What up? Okay, so I have to get used to I have to get used to filming and looking at the camera and not at the screen. Because when I look at the screen, obviously it doesn't seem like I'm talking to you. But anyways, guess what? I just got my package today. I ordered, instead of Black Friday shopping, I got an oil change and what else? I did something else that was important. Oh, I took my dogs to get a bath, so that was fun. But anyways, on Cyber Monday, which was a couple days ago, I ordered something and I'm excited because I've been waiting for like, I don't know how long to get this. And of course, you know, like as a young adult, I gotta get shit on my own. So that's what I did. But anyways, here's the package. Ta-da! And I think that's so cute what Groupon puts on here. Look at that. Okay. Now we're gonna open it with this handy dandy tool that I have. Because I don't have the budget to spend like $1,000 or whatever on computers, I got mine refurbished as a grade A, which if you go online and you looked up refurbished computers grade, what does grade A mean or something like that, you'll figure out what that means. But it means that it's you know, slightly been used, but it's in almost good condition. Just like buying a certified used car that only has like 10,000 miles on it. That's nothing. So anyways, and if I need to, I can still return it if I need to. But here we go. So I don't get the cute little box, you know, like cute little Apple box, but I'm not complaining. Shit, it's a fucking computer because that box is gonna go in the trash anyways, or get recycled. But anyway, so I get a white box. Woohoo! A box inside of a box. Okay, now time to open up. I don't know why I'm so excited. Y'all felt like it was Christmas. I could not wait to get home today. I'm so excited. Okay, so I think it's. Oh shoot. Oh, this is cool. I like this box. Ooh. Okay. So I have my charger right here. Weehee. Weehee. Woohoo. And here's the iPad. Here's the Mac. The computer. Woohoo. And you can see, like, I'll show you guys. Put that back up. I like this thing that they put it in. I'll deal with that later. But anyways, okay, so here it is. It's really nice and thin, like they say. Now, so it's slightly used, and they say like you might be able to see, like when they rate it grade A, they do it based off of what you can see on the outside and then also what's on the inside. So like you know, as you can see on the back, you probably can't see, it's a laptop. They get, you know, used and whatnot. So I'm gonna open it. Oh, they have this little section here that you can open. See? They have this little section here. If you lift it up, where you can open it. It's like a little lip. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Stay still. And there it is. Say hi. Ooh, my camera's dirty. Something's dirty. Ooh, that made it foggy. Alright. Well, I'm gonna end it here. That's all I wanted to do was opening my package. Woohoo! That's the box that it came in. It was laid in here and you open it this way, which is pretty cool. So yeah.